Hey there! You sent the proposal, and don't know what happened with it? How to check if your proposal was read by a prospect. Did he see the pricing that you quoted in the proposal? Here are 3 steps that will help you figure this out. 1. Add your proposal to Doculens. 2. When you send the proposal to the prospect, use this link from Doculens, so the proposal is tracked. 3. Copy Ashley@theRateYourCompany.com, sending the proposal. Ashley will send follow-up on the proposal after 2 days automatically if you don't get a response. Ashley is an AI assistant. As soon as the prospect opens the proposal, you get a notification on email as well as on WhatsApp within 5 minutes. Note: prospect hasn't responded to you yet, but you get to know that he has opened your proposal. This is very important from a sales perspective. Not only that, you get to see insights into which pages were seen by the lead for how many seconds. If your pricing page was seen for 20 seconds, you will see that in Doculens email notification. You can call the prospect immediately, as soon as you get a notification, and ask if they got a chance to go through the proposal, and do they have any questions? This insightful notification will help you move the lead forward immediately. Moreover, Doculens tracks all PDFs, not just brochures. Try Doculens today. www.doculens.io